Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add the AirPods widget on your iPhone, just like I did have right here. It's very simple, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. First, you will want to select where you want to edit on which screen. Let's say it's the home screen. I'll just use this screen because it is my test screen. You want to hold your finger on your wallpaper, just like so. You want to hit the plus icon. Here, you want to type in the widget, for example, battery widgets, and you have different statuses for your battery widgets, and they are the widgets that have your AirPods battery right here. So you have different options. You can select this one, which is a little bit bigger if you have an iPad, Mac, and so on. I'll just select this one as an example, but you can select multiple ones. We can add in the second one as well, battery. So here it is. And we can select the third one, and we will also add our AirPods in 1 second. So here are the three options for the widgets. Here is one, here's the other two. When I just open in my AirPods like so, you can see everything is set up just like as you can see on the screen. If you found the video helpful, give me a like. If you're new, subscribe. If you're still having any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. See you next one. Bye.